From the peaks to the valleys, every working journey deserves a BOLEO. Whether you're looking for exceptional value or leading innovation, there's a BOLEO compact excavator that's right for you. Each model delivers impressive digging power, depth and reach, and offers smooth and precise control, allowing its superior performance and versatile attachments to be easily deployed to help you achieve the best results in a variety of operating environments. Relying on key areas such as dynamic analysis, load spectrum research, vibration and noise reduction technology, energy consumption evaluation system, and core hydraulic technology, BOLEO has launched a diversified product portfolio. Since its founding, BOLEO has consistently strived to be a technology company driven by innovation and user experience. Strategically placed controls, with operating weights ranging from 1.7 to 6 metric tons, BOLEO mini excavators pack powerful might. Equipped with a mechanical quick coupler and auxiliary hydraulics, every model can pair with our mini excavator attachments for exceptional versatility and productivity in all of your earth-moving applications. "30-day global return, 24/7 support. Every BOLEO machine comes with a 5-year global warranty. Make BOLEO a way of working.